This video will show you how to open and close your Swell rooftop tent and share some useful tips and tricks along the way. Start by unlocking the clamps on the hardshell, then gently push the tent open. Next, pull down the closing band. Inside the tent, you'll find your fly poles. Locate the small pole sockets on the bottom of the tent base and attach the poles. On taller vehicles, it may be easier to install the fly poles from inside the tent. You'll also find your ladder inside the tent, and if it's your first time setting up, your mounting kit will be there too. Unpack the ladder from its bag and adjust it to match your vehicle's height. Then attach it securely. A great feature of the Swell tent is that the ladder can be attached either to the sides or to the rear of your vehicle, depending on your setup. Our Swell tent is also compatible with the anti-condensation mat and the deluxe mattress for extra comfort. The mattress fits inside the closed tent, but it needs to be deflated first. When packing down the tent, start by detaching the ladder and placing it inside the tent. Fold up the end of the mattress to make room for the ladder. Next, remove the fly poles and store them in the tent, ready for your next adventure. Make sure the fly poles are positioned so they don't damage the tent. Fold the fly neatly to keep the windows protected. Use the closing band to hold the tent fabric in place as you close it down. Then, grab the pull-down strap and carefully close the tent. Place the pull-down strap inside the tent. You might need to tuck in some of the fabric as you go. Finally, close the clamps to lock the hardshell. If needed, press down gently on the hardshell while securing the clamp. Now you're ready to hit the road, whether it's in a classic car or your everyday driver. And as an optional upgrade, you can add the Swell load rack, perfect for carrying extra gear like surfboards, kayaks, or other adventure essentials.